All right, guys. Today we're unboxing the Bakcou Kodiak all-wheel drive in the matte black. It'll be pretty great for, like turkey hunting and all the off-roading I like to do. Trash. So, comes with a little gift box, it looks like. Nice hat. It's pretty sweet. Owner's manual, some little keychains, okay, warranty, membership. All right, well, that's cool. Unbox this and see what we got. All right, it's all put together. So one of the things didn't tell in the instruction manual, since this one is for the Flatlander, but this is the Kodiak. So didn't tell you how to put this on the front fender. So there was a screw, one of the long ones, that came in small bag with a couple extra nuts. So I would put that on, made sure got a washer on the front, and put a washer on the back as well, and then mounted the light on with it, plugged the light into here. Didn't tell you any of that in the instructions, but also we put the tire on, so these had to be loosened so this part of the frame would be able to drop in, and tighten that up a little bit. Didn't try to tighten it too much, so we'll see how it rides, but make sure that those get tightened so it's not a whole loose tire. Then we got the mount for the light in order to get the free shipping, quote unquote. Figured this will probably be a good spot for it, right to the right of the handlebars. And this is it on. Picture everything. That's the amount of pedal assist that it ends up giving you. Took it for a spin around the block. Pretty nice. Got some pannier bags coming for it. Got a gun mount. It's gonna go here on the front since it'll be used for turkey hunting up in the Sierra Nevada mountains. And other things really cool is the seat. So it's almost like another shock in here. So when you're moving, it's absorbing some of that shock that the front shocks don't take. So at least you're getting a little extra cushion from it. And this one is, the Kodiak. So it's got a 500 watt motor in the back on the rear wheel, and a 500 at the front. So the big thing with this toggle switch, that'll be for front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, or all wheel drive. So if you're in either front or rear wheel drive, it's a little bit slower since you're only using 500 out of 1,000 watts. But, if you're not trying to go crazy fast and want to kind of slug along, then you can just put it on front or rear wheel drive. And also, came with a VIP gift. So I had no idea this was happening. So we got actually a pretty nice knife. Honestly, it's heavy duty, very nice. And then looks like some sunglasses. Cool, not bad. Little lanyard. Says tribe member on it. So that's kind of cool. It's like made of metal. I'm not sure if that's just a collectible or what. Dog tag. Okay. Unique. Little coffee mug. Tea mug. Kind of neat. So yeah, that's about it. Got the power supply to charge the battery. This is that light. It's pretty heavy duty, so see how it is once I get it all mounted up. Yet to find out what this is. I would assume that's the battery, so that'll probably, I'm assuming, mount onto there, or not sure. Not sure where that's supposed to mount yet. We'll figure it out. But yeah, the Bakcou Kodiak all-wheel drive.